Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best unregulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Even though the general rule is, regulation is the first and most important factor to consider when choosing a Forex broker, some unregulated Forex brokers do function honestly and will appear to be very similar to regulated brokers. In this video, we are going to do something different and take a look at some of the top 5 best unregulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have CryptoRocket. CryptoRocket is an STP, legally registered Forex broker located in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex currencies, cryptocurrencies, indices, metals, energies, and stocks. With CryptoRocket, you can trade over 55 currency pairs, over 30 crypto pairs, 12 Indices CFDs, 6 Metal CFDs, 3 Energy CFDs, and over 60 Stock CFDs. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. CryptoRocket also provides some guides and an affiliate program if you are interested in earning some commissions with CryptoRocket. At number 4 on our list is Hankotrade. Hankotrade is a legally registered STP ECN Forex broker located in the Seychelles. Specializing in trading and services through Forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, metals, and energies. Accounts are available on STP, ECN, ECN Plus, and Islamic and demo accounts. They also provide PAM and MAM accounts. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Hankotrade offers a matching deposit bonus deal, as well as a variety of calculators for you to use at any time. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have SageFX. SageFX is a legally registered Forex broker located in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Specializing and providing services through Forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, metals, energies, and stocks. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Standard, Pro, and Demo accounts. With SageFX, you can be a part of their affiliate and referral rewards program, where you get rewarded for every client you refer to SageFX. At number 2 on our list is XBTFX. XBTFX is a legally registered Forex broker located in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Specializing in trading through Forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, metals, energies, and stocks. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are available on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard and ECN accounts, with up to $10 minimum deposit, same-day withdrawals, 0 commissions on the standard account, and more. They also provide Islamic swap-free accounts. Their trading accounts can only be funded with cryptocurrencies, and no bank transfers or credit cards are accepted. The accepted cryptocurrencies currently include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin, Cardano, and more. XBTFX also provides a news and educational section, which features written news topics, as well as a variety of educational articles that cover topics such as hedging, the importance of psychology in trading, Forex terminology, and more for you to browse through at any time you like. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best unregulated Forex brokers, we have CryptoAltum. CryptoAltum is a CFD broker based out of the Marshall Islands. Trading accounts can be opened in a number of different cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Specializing in trading and offering services through Forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, and metals. CryptoAltum provides one simple, dynamic account, which allows you to trade all instruments from just one single account type. This account requires a $100 minimum deposit, with access to virtual private servers, automated trading with expert advisors, negative balance protection, and a free demo account. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 5 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. CryptoAltum also provides a 25% deposit bonus when you register your account. They also provide market updates in the form of written technical analysis articles, an educational section that delves into various explanations of cryptocurrencies, as well as a crypto converter for you to browse through whenever you like. And those are some of the top 5 best unregulated Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.